Get paid to watch ads on your phone or laptop. It couldn't get much easier. With costs rising worldwide, a bit of extra cash could help with a mortgage payment, the credit card bill, family activities, or just the essentials. Join Vidilook today and you could make between $1.50 to $66 a day just by watching ads. That equates to $45 to $1,980 per month. The companies working with Vidilook include Facebook or Meta, as it is known, Google, Instagram, TikTok, Yahoo, Twitter and more. And if you refer the platform to other people, you could potentially make $100 or more a day. I know a person making $800 a day. But you don't have to refer anyone, you could simply use it yourself. To join Vidilook, you need to pay a small subscription and you make 3% of this initial package cost back every day. This means in 33 days you can make all your money back. Risk-free. There are 4 packages you can choose from and you can only buy one of each at a time. Once your package ends, you can then buy it again. This is how much you could make. If you buy the $50 package, you could make 2 extra investment i.e. $1.50 a day or $45 a month, up to a maximum of $100. So your net profit is $50. The ads watch time is just 2 to 3 minutes a day. If you buy the $150 package, you could make 3 extra investment, i.e. $4.50 a day or $135 a month, up to a maximum of $450. So your net profit is $300. The ads watch time is just 10 minutes a day. If you buy the $500 package, you could make 4 extra investment, i.e. $15 a day or $450 a month, up to a maximum of $2,000. So your net profit would be $1,500. The ads watch time is just 20 minutes a day. If you buy the $1,500 package, you could make 5 extra investment, i.e. $45 a day or $1,350 a month, up to a maximum of $7,500. So your net profit would be $6,000. The ads watch time is just 40 to 50 minutes a day. Let's look at an example. When you buy the $500 package, you can make $15 a day. If you divide 500 by 15, this equals 33 or 33.33 to be precise. So in 33 days, you will have all your money back. And as you can make a maximum of $2,000, your net profit will be $1,500. To break it down, in months 1 to 4 you will receive $450 every month, i.e. $15 times 30. There are on average 30 days in a month. By month 5 you will have made $2,000 in revenue or a net profit of $1,500. Let's look at the return on investment or ROI for each package. For the $50 package, the ROI is 100%. For the $150 package, the ROI is 200%. For the $500 package, the ROI is 300%. For the $1,500 package, the ROI is 400%. Not a bad return if you compare the 1 to 3% on your bank account. There is nothing at the moment that gives you that return on your investment as far as I know. If you'd like a copy of the spreadsheet, I will note the link below and in the resources section. To get risk-free as quickly as possible, i.e. to get your subscription cost back, watch your allocated ads every day and withdraw your revenue every single day. As I mentioned, if you refer others to the platform, you could potentially make $100 or more per day. I know a person making $800 per day. She does this because when she refers other people to the platform, she can make between 10 to 30% of their initial investment. Plus, when the people you encourage to join go on to refer others to the Vidilook platform, you can get a bit of their income too. You'll find more details in the videos below. So how does Vidilook work? Let me give you a quick overview. Ad companies make millions of dollars every year. Now some of this ad revenue is being shared with ad viewers like me and you. Vidilook has combined this model with blockchain. According to Euromoney, blockchain technology is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions. Vidilook is not a get-rich-quick scheme and it's not going to make you a millionaire overnight. But it can provide extra money simply for watching ads. Vidilook uses a cryptocurrency called USDT, which is tethered or attached to the dollar. So essentially 1 USDT is equal to $1. Vidilook members watch ads on their phones or laptops and earn coins. These coins are then sold on the platform for crypto cash, i.e. USDT. So I could watch ads and make, for example, 90 VDL tokens or coins and sell them for 61 USDT or $61. The 61 USDT is then transferred to your crypto exchange. Here you can trade your USDT for your local currency, for example $US, GBP, or any other currency. And then move your revenue to your bank account. To join Vidilook, you need to use a sign-up link from a member. You can't join without it. If you need a link, you can find it below this video and also in the resources section of this page. You need to use a crypto exchange that includes the USDT currency. Make sure that you use the Tron20 network when moving money from the crypto exchange to your Vidilook account. The videos below on this explain how to do this on Binance. But the process is the same on all relevant crypto exchanges. I set up Vidilook Review to discuss my experience of using Vidilook, and I show you my earnings in the first 6 weeks. My name is Iram, and in the corporate world I've been supporting law firms with their digital marketing for 10 years. I was introduced to Vidilook by an acquaintance, and as I had to stop work to support a family member who was ill, I thought I'd try it out. I bought 3 packages in early April 2023, the $150, $500, and the $1,500. And I will show you how much I make. I am not a financial advisor. And this website is to educate people on the Vidilook potential and my experience. So please do your research and don't buy a package if you can't afford it. But if you decide to take up this opportunity, my sign-up link is under the video. Once you join Vidilook today, you will see at the bottom, Home, Assets, Ads, Trade and Profile. Just click Ads and start watching the ads. They start playing on your phone or PC. Once you have watched your daily ads, you can trade your coins for USDT. At the top you'll see how much USDT is available to make. For me it's $64.50. I have watched all my ads for the day. My received income is $64.50 and the remaining income is 0. I then hit trade and sell my VDL coins. This takes about 30 seconds. You can now see the USDT in my account. I can withdraw this to my crypto exchange. To do this you need to enter a 6-digit password, all numbers. You will have created this when you set up your new account. If you can't remember, just hit forgot password and set it up again. Then you hit send and a code will be sent to your email address. You then paste the code in and hit submit. Wait 5 to 10 minutes and you'll see the funds in your crypto exchange. This may take a bit longer if there is a queue. I then sell or trade my USDT for GBP, my local currency, and withdraw it to my bank account. Sometimes there is a queue, but it doesn't usually take more than 30 minutes for me. Remember, you can only do one withdrawal in 24 hours. So there you have it, folks. If you have any questions, just contact me on vidilookreview@gmail.com or watch the training videos below. The videos on this page show you how to buy Vidilook packs, how to sell your coins, and how to withdraw your money. So start now, before it gets saturated. You'll find the joining link to set up a free Vidilook account and the app download link below this video. I'll also add a link to my spreadsheet showing the earnings potential. Now is a great time to join Vidilook. There is a limited number of VDL coins issued. So get in early and start making extra income. Join Vidilook today. Start today and create a free Vidilook account. The joining link is below this video.